Hi guys, okay, this is a quick look at the new Kobalt Magnum grip clamping pliers. I will look at the small one first. So you can see the jaws, they have indentations for nuts, bolts, fasteners, and the way they work, you just squeeze and it auto adjusts. See, this is just a regular 1-inch insert bit. You squeeze and it grips it. Use large items. See, there you go. And this one works in the same way, but you have nice smooth, non-marring jaws. See? A little better angle. It gives you a fairly strong grip. Not vice grip strong, but it should be enough for light duty, I guess, work. Actually, here, this is in there really good. Here's actually the handle of the new double drive ratchet. You can see it holds round things. I wouldn't use these on that, it might damage the chrome. So anyways, so this is the smaller Magnum grip, and it goes to, this is about 3/4 inch clamping range, and larger one has about 1/4 inches. They seem pretty handy, maybe for light to medium duty tasks. These don't seem that strong for really heavy duty things, but again, about using the right tool for the job. Alright, if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching.